Hi, I'm Ali Andrade and welcome to my capstone. Join me as we explore 3 beaches whose names and meanings have been hidden for too long. This video is on Waialea or 69 Beach. Waialea is located at Kauai's base southern end on Hawaii's west coast, about 23 miles from Kona onto Pu'uko Beach Drive. Waialea has white sand and trees that offer shade, and there are some rocks and a few tide pools. When you drive by Waialea Beach, the telephone poles are the reason why Waialea is known as Beach 69, because of the number 69 on the power pole near the beach parking lot. The name Waialea, Vai means water in Hawaiian, and Alea comes from the name of a fish. The place name makes sense, as Waialea was once a fishing village, and some of the original homes still stand.
Vai is also the word for wealth, and this area is wealthy in fish and wealthy in water. There are a few freshwater springs here as well. It is a marine life conservation district, which means some of the types of fishing are prohibited. And there are special guidelines for people who want to fish here, maintaining its significance as a marine environment.
I interviewed some people around me to see what their knowledge on this place is.
My name is Duke Waialea, and I've lived in Hawaii my entire life.
I'm Zach, and I've lived here for 13 years. I was born here.
Have you ever heard the name Waialea?
No, not really.
Have you ever heard the name Waialea?
Yes, I have.
Did you know that it is 69 Beach?
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Did you know that it is 69 Beach?
I did.
Have you ever been to this beach?
Yeah, a couple times.
Have you ever been to that beach?
I have.
How would you describe it?
Very rocky, with a lot of kiawe thorns.
How would you describe the beach?
It's very nice. There's like a lot of trees and some rocks as well. But lately, not even just Beach 69 or Waialea Bay, they've been a lot more crowded, and I feel like there isn't as much space to have as much fun as there was before.
Do you think it is important to call it by its true name?
Yeah,
Do you think it is important to call it by its true name?
Yeah, I do.
Why?
because it's the original name, and we shouldn't be changing the names.
Alright. Why?
Because it kind of gives its historical value back, and without the name, the place doesn't mean as much as it used to be, because there's so many things that have happened there and so many things that are continuing to happen there. And if we forget about where it came from, it doesn't mean the same.
Alright, thank you.